Hey guys and gals. I wanted to just make a super short video for you today to show you Epic. I know most of you know it. And I have one problem because I'm not sure how it looks on your screen. So I just wanted to show you that these were the books that I assigned for you to read part of. So you get to pick one. So I was gonna pick werewolves, and this is where I am on it. So when I ask you to do boxes and bullets, I only want you to do one section. So this one would be imagine. So I'm gonna read that. You're walking through the forest at night, the moon is full, you hear a spooky howl, and then you hear something growl. Suddenly a hairy beast jumps out. It's part man, part animal. It's a werewolf. What is a werewolf? A werewolf is a man who turns into a wolf. In many cases, a werewolf does not look like a normal wolf. A werewolf might run on 4 legs or 2 legs. It has a long snout and sharp teeth. That looks scary. Becoming a werewolf. So, okay, so this is super short. So you would actually do like 3 pages. What is your main idea in these 3 pages? So, yeah. So let's say you read from pages 4 to 11, or 4 to 8, since one page is a picture. You're going to tell me the main idea at the top in the box, and then the 3 bullets. I hope that helps. My class code, let me look at the class code. It's on Tuesday's lesson, the class code, but I will put it in again and remind you. So the class code is TAD 9448. So make sure that you have that, and I can't wait to see what you bring to me. All right, bye.